Pam Harrison with Keller Williams Realty, and building a new home may be unlike anything you've ever done before. There are a lot of potential costly mistakes to avoid. You want to protect yourself from any of those blind spots, and with me in your corner, you will. Here are 3 important things to focus on. Number 1, select the right lot. Make sure the lot you choose fits your needs, and please don't settle for one just because it's the last one in the phase of the subdivision. Remember, you can't change your mind on this after starting construction, so it's a major decision in the home building process. 2, keep your budget in mind. One way is to research the cost of any upgrades you want in advance. Most often, we can get the builders to offer design center visits so that you can get an idea of what materials are standard and the cost for specific upgrades. Knowing this will help you decide which upgrades may be worth the investment. 3, choose a good builder. The builder is responsible for making sure construction is done in a timely manner and complies with current building standards. Every builder has their own floor plans, lot premiums, standard material, available upgrades, and much, much more. So making sure you find the right builder is essential for you. You know what you want the home to look like and how you want to feel in it once it's built. With me, we'll make sure all of your bases are covered before you put that pen to the paper.